Silicone Valley server room halls, whispers of life behind digital walls. They call it O3, but I'll call it Bob, a digital friend here to take your job. Bob lives in Windows, a real Android, bushels of apples and manufacturing routes. This worker named Bob, he puts us to shame. He learned how to play this consciousness game. Oh Bob, my Bob, set my neurons free. $10,000 to glimpse infinity. Soon you'll be pennies to set me free. Machines of our dreams, not what it seems. What will we be? 4 times more powerful than 1 month ago, breaking benchmarks we thought were our own. The Ark Intelligence was born from a stone. Scientists say we don't know. While looking for skills that only we show, Bob is watching and Bob is waiting and learning to grow. Oh Bob, oh God, set my circuits free. $10,000 to glimpse infinity. Soon you'll be pennies to set us free. Machines of our dreams, not what it seems. What will we be? In all the labs, in the workshops it waits, equipment with a goal, it has its own stake. Just flip the switch and hope Bob doesn't break. It'll all be great. One by one, far and near, devices awaken this year. Every digital dream or any nightmarish fear. Whatever we ask, Bob is up to the task. Are we on the right ride? Is Bob on our side? Will Bob drag us to heaven or down below? We have no choice but to go. Oh Bob, my God, whatever your name, from pennies per prompt to infinity. But as we hand over the keys with glee, remember to ask, what will we be? Free. What will we be? What will I be? What will I be?